Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to share with you how I make this delicious apple cake, and if you want to know how I achieve it, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, before I start, this is the recipe I'm using for this apple cake. Normally it's supposed to be a muffin. They gave my daughter in the kindergarten, so the recipe is from her school. And for this recipe you are going to use, if you are making muffin, is going to be 12 pieces. And this is the apple they gave her in the kindergarten to bake this muffin. So keep watching guys. The next step is to just peel your apples, and you can use any apples of your choice. After peeling it, next is to cut it to a smaller pieces. If you don't have this, you can use knife to cut yours to a smaller pieces. Yes guys, so keep watching. And if you are watching me for the first time, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below, and let's be friends. Yes guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping me to grow. Yeah, I will really appreciate it. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, I see you. So if you want to know the recipe of this muffin or apple cake, you can call it any one you like, you can check the description box. I will list all the ingredients according to the measurement of this cake. So keep watching guys. So guys, for a start, all you have to do is to add butter and sugar and use your mixer to mix it. As you can see the way I'm mixing mine. Yeah, next is to add my lemon juice. Here I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, as you can see. Yeah, so keep watching guys. This video is like an assignment to the kids. Yes guys, actually it was for one person, but we decided to bake it. The whole family is baking. Honestly speaking, you can see their hands moving here and there. They were so excited to bake this cake. Honestly, it's good to catch them when they are young, you know. Yeah, so I really enjoy baking this cake with them because it was fun making this cake. So continue watching guys. So guys, after mixing, next is to add eggs. So I use 2 eggs for this recipe. Then after adding the eggs, you have to mix. For all this process like mixing, adding this and that and mix, it took us just 15 minutes. Yes guys, the truth is that this video was filmed by my daughter, and you know children with the way of holding camera and phone and all that, you know, but all the same she did a good job. She tried. Her hand was just shaking here and there and all that. Anyways guys, it was fun baking the cake and the children were so excited. I too was excited too, you know. It was really fun. I enjoyed baking this cake with them. So continue watching guys. So guys, next is to add the milk, and we use 6 spoons of milk. To hold the spoon, it was like a process. one after the other, one by one. This one will hold the spoon, this one will say, mommy, I want to hold the spoon, the other one will say, mommy, please, can I hold the spoon? So it was just fun. Yeah. So after adding the milk, the next is to mix. After mixing, next is to step it aside and add my flour and add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and mix everything together. And after mixing turn by turn, this one will say, mommy, I want to mix, the other one will say, mommy, I want to mix. So guys, after mixing it, then you add it a bit by bit and use your mixer to mix the final mix. So continue watching. So guys, right now we are done mixing the whole dough. The next is to transfer it to our baking pan and the muffin cups. Then you bake for 20 minutes. Yeah, if you want to know the degree, check the description box. I will write everything down there. So keep watching. So guys, before I forget, next is to add in your apples inside the muffin cup. Yeah, before putting in the dough. So after that, I'm gonna use 1 big spoon, tablespoon, yeah guys, to add in the cake inside the muffin cup. So continue watching. So guys, right now I'm done with the muffin. I'm gonna step it aside. This one is made special for the kids. Yes. Next is to add all the sliced apples inside the dough and mix everything together, then add it in your pan. So after adding everything in your pan, your baking pan, you just transfer it to the oven to bake. Yes guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, here is the final stage and you can see how yummy our muffin is looking. To be honest guys, this apple cake is delicious. It's sugary lekker. Like, if you've not tried this recipe before, please give it a try. A trial will convince you. You can see how they are rushing it. It was fun baking this cake. I really enjoyed it. I repeat guys, don't forget to give this recipe a try and you will not regret knowing Mama What's Up channel. I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.
Yo.